There is a lot of fear and panic in the market right now as Bitcoin just had a massive crash. I actually warned my Twitter followers and my private Patreon members right before it happened, and we were prepared. Oftentimes, when the market expects Bitcoin to do one thing, it does the exact opposite. But do I look like I'm panicking? The exact opposite, actually. I believe this is a massive opportunity. So I'm gonna break this down for you bit by bit so you have a better understanding of the market and you can make better decisions and not get shaken out. Now is not the time to panic sell. Take this tweet by Eric Voorhees, crypto veteran and entrepreneur in this space, who says, "Old hands have seen this time and time again. But for those who are new here, be not fearful and do not worry, because the arc of history does not bend in the other direction." Meaning that this is just part of it. This is part of the ride, and you have plenty of time to make it in this market. This is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And if anything, the macro climate supports the argument for the fundamentals of cryptocurrency more and more as each day passes. Have we seen the worst yet? Time will tell. But all I can tell you now is to be patient and have conviction in what you're investing in, and everything is going to be okay. So why the flash crash? The market is in very unstable environment right now, as Jerome Powell came out with a rare negative expression of the market at the moment as stocks continue to plummet, and Feds have announced plans to aggressively taper funding, pulling liquidity back from the markets, and risk-on assets are all affected by this. Bitcoin is not immune. That, coupled with the fear of the new variant in the pandemic, as well as CNBC coming out and proclaiming we are in a full-fledged bear market. Comical, because every time CNBC comes out without news, we usually do the opposite. So just remember, short-term news will move the market, but nothing changes long-term, and the fundamentals of cryptocurrency are still the same. In addition, we have the bearish indicators indicating weakness in the trend for now. And just remember, Bitcoin went from 30K all the way up to almost 70K, and metaverse and gaming coins are going parabolic. At a certain point, a correction will come, and it's just part of the game. Finally, we add that to the fact that markets are highly leveraged at the moment. Open interest in Bitcoin is at an all-time high. Leverage trading is when a trader makes a spot purchase of cryptocurrency using funds that exceed the balance of the account to maximize the profits. And with this open interest at all-time highs, oftentimes what we see is liquidation of traders' positions, meaning the exchange forcefully closes a trader's position due to a partial or total loss of the initial margin in the trader's account. But liquidation is often a healthy thing for the market, as we can then build a solid foundation as the market resets and we consolidate and accumulate on a solid launchpad for Bitcoin to take off to new all-time highs. During these times, it's important to maintain a level head and not panic sell. Not financial advice, but historically, dips and bull runs have been incredible buying opportunities. So now is the time to get prepared for what's to come. So if you can reprogram your mind to buy fear and sell greed, you will be wildly successful in this market. And I believe that right now is one of the biggest opportunities we will have in this bull run and in the years to come. So here's how I see this playing out. There will be a lot of noise and a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We are going to have to filter through that noise to get to the heart of the matter. I believe the Fed will have no choice but to step in and cut back tapering, injecting more money and stimulus into the economy if the market continues to tumble and unemployment rates get higher and higher. If that happens, it could trigger a return of the bullish momentum in the markets and thus Bitcoin going onward and upward to skyrocket into all-time highs and make history. Remember, until things change, Bitcoin is still in a bull run, and if it is closing above 43,000 on a weekly basis, the trend is still intact and the trend is still up. Have a look at this Plan B, a prominent on-chain analyst, tweet that shows all of the major corrections in Bitcoin's bull run history before going on to make parabolic runs. And additionally, it's eerily similar to a chart from 2013 when Bitcoin shook everyone out of the market, made a massive wick down, and then went on to make history. I personally will be averaging into this dip, and with the lengthening cycles possibly happening, it may take Bitcoin longer to reach its all-time highs, but that is actually very bullish for the market. Take what American billionaire investor Charlie Munger says, right-hand man to Warren Buffett. The money is not in the buying and selling, it's in the waiting. You got to be patient. If you're in the right coins, you will make it in this market. Make no doubt about it. And if you want to experience those 10, 20, and even 50x gains, you have to be able to stomach the pullbacks and get in control of your emotions. In summary, now is an excellent time, in my opinion, not financial advice, to be averaging in on the dip and stacking those sats. Wealth is not built overnight, so stick to a plan and be patient. Those who have the vision will be wildly successful and wealthy in time. All you have to do is stick to a strategy and be willing to wait. That being said, if you want to know all the coins to be buying during this dip and stay updated on the market, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell on my YouTube channel. And if you want to take your crypto game to the next level, check out the link to my Patreon below, where I will keep you updated on all of my insiders information on crypto and NFTs to help you succeed, and we can start building your empire together. That's all for now. Stay cool, and until next time.